Question lies within me. How am I gonna get noticed on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So yeah, today we're talking about a hectic subject on how to get noticed on YouTube. Now I have a few notes that I'm gonna look up here on what do we do, how to get noticed on YouTube, and what are the things that you need to do to get noticed on YouTube. But before we get any further into this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like, comment down below if you're not shy. Yeah, and let's keep on moving. Yeah, let's engage and talk about these things and how to get noticed on YouTube. Yeah, so the first thing that you need to do, and it's a procedure, like it's a luck kind of situation that goes on. I don't know how, but it's a luck situation of the algorithm getting notice of you. Now, the algorithm is a set of rules and a set of tasks that you need to meet in order for the algorithm to notice you. And yeah, I think the algorithm start to take your videos seriously once you start uploading more videos. And then once you start uploading more videos, the algorithm starts to test your videos out. Now, when they test your videos out, they are taking your videos to a larger audience, which is maybe like 1,000. They try and see how many people are going to like and look at your videos. And then after the algorithm has tested out your videos, it's not algorithm's fault if your video doesn't make it out to maybe a certain audience. Now you need to get noticed like even more if you're trying hard but it's really not working out for you. The algorithm will try to test your video, but if your video is not doing so well because of a set of rules that you didn't meet, now it's a set of luck. Because I think I know like when someone starts a YouTube page or a YouTube channel, it's kind of like I could do a first video on YouTube, and then the algorithm starts to like me, and then the other person could try to do a video, and then the algorithm will not notice them like how they notice me. Like I don't know why. And yeah, that's why YouTube is such a strange place. But yeah, you need to like, it's kind of like a luck situation, but you need to have like people like your video, look at your video and comment down below. And yeah, it's all about the engagement and all of those things. So that's where the algorithm is going to start pushing your video to a larger audience, and that's where you're going to start like not worrying about subscribers and all of those stuff, because you do have subscribers. And yeah, you always get a lot of views on YouTube. So yeah, that is. Now another thing is you increase your odds. Like when I say increase your odds, is when people engage in your video, like you're getting a set of like luck situation going on, because the YouTube space will notice that, hey, this video is doing so well, people are looking at it and people like it, and then it will start suggesting it to a larger audience. And then when people comment, like, and subscribe, then YouTube space is gonna promote your video even more, and then you're gonna be in luck, and then you get monetized. That's it. Just like that, you get monetized because your video is doing so well and people are getting, yeah, it's kind of like increase your odds. And you have to do a certain things in order for you doing a video. Fine, you've made a video, fine, people like your video, but yeah, it's not going to a larger audience. It's because you're probably making a few mistakes that you know don't need to make, but you're probably making them anyways, and that's not your fault. It's because you didn't notice a lot of things when you uploaded your video. Is when you're having a title for your video, your title needs to be suitable, your tags need to be suitable, and especially your click-through rates. People need to click through your video. As long as people click through your video, that's it. You need to steal maybe like 5 minutes of their time. Like it's so important. I don't know what you'll do, like I don't know how you'll do it, but just do that, because that's where people are going to be like, what's going on, I want to see what's going on into this video. And then people are going to watch your video and increase your video retention, and that's where you're going to start getting noticed. So make sure everything of yours is good, and do not put or even in your description, make sure your description is really good, because that's where your videos are gonna be preferred more, because your description goes according to a lot of competitors that are in the space and have the same subject as you when it comes to emphasizing. Yes, and I keep saying this to a lot of people, your thumbnail, like your thumbnail needs to be good. A lot of people needs to watch your thumbnail and be like, I want to watch that video. And you see, now I've already aroused someone's feelings, and I've already aroused what people want to see, and people are clicking in my videos because they want to see what's going on, what's this thumbnail about, and then people will start watching your video. So the thumbnail is a very, very big one, and I can't emphasize that enough, because it's where you're going to get noticed a lot. And your videos has to be like searchable. People have to search your videos. And yeah, make sure you use the Y2 Studio very wisely, and you make your videos searchable, because if you do videos that are not trending, it's highly likely. So don't get depressed about it and be like, oh no, my video didn't do well. Yeah, so yeah, just chill about that and do videos that people like, not what you like. Your odds. Yes, when I say increase your odds, like, don't like you always have to increase your odds. Like, there's no limits. Like, you're going for a larger audience, so should your video represent a larger audience. So increase your odds. That is very important. Increase your watch duration. When I say increase your watch duration, I mean, like, people need to watch your video to the end. Keep them entertained. Do something spontaneous and unpredictable, and it's when people are going to be like, oh, okay, she's good, you know what I'm saying? That's where people are gonna like your video a lot and prefer it to other people, and be like, oh, let's do this, guys, because this person preferred it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, keep your videos up, and make sure your videos are long, or if they're not long, make sure they're entertaining and small till the end. YouTube is still gonna get your videos monetized. It's how you do it, and the tricks and turns that you use to do your videos, so that you get monetized earlier, and that yeah, you don't need to worry about small stuff. So yeah, guys, that's it for me, and I really enjoyed doing this video, and I hope you also liked it. And please tune into my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below if you're not shy, and don't forget to follow on my socials. My socials will be here. And yeah, bye guys, keep it safe, bye.